Managing diabetes requires a precise approach to food selection. The avocado contains a specific combination of healthy fats and fiber that can assist in blood sugar management when integrated into a daily menu. The central challenge of this condition is preventing the sharp increases in blood glucose that typically occur after eating. This chart compares two different blood sugar responses. The volatile spike represents traditional carbohydrates entering your system. The smooth, flat curve below it shows the digestion of an avocado. This is the result of a low glycemic index, releasing energy slowly into the bloodstream. To use this low GI profile effectively, we must follow a strict daily preparation protocol. This ensures we gain the metabolic benefits without exceeding your daily caloric requirements. Successful management involves preparing the right foods to maintain a steady glucose curve throughout the day. The benefits of the avocado are dependent on portion control. Because of its fat content, eating too much can counteract your management goals. Limit your intake to between 1/2 and 1 medium-sized avocado per day. This balance scale shows the impact of adding an avocado to your diet. The fruit is calorie-dense, shifting your total daily intake. To maintain your target weight, you must remove other fats from your other meals. This means reducing cooking oils and coconut milk. Failing to make these substitutions results in a caloric surplus. Over time, that extra energy intake leads to weight gain, which makes it more difficult for your body to manage insulin. Integrating avocado into your diet is a process of substitution. You are replacing less healthy fats to keep your total calories stable. Breakfast is often the meal where high glycemic foods like sugary spreads cause the most issues. Instead, you can simply mash a half avocado into a smooth paste to use as a spread on whole wheat bread. This split screen compares the metabolic effects of your breakfast options. On the left, butter and jams are marked as high GI. On the right, the avocado spread is verified as a low glycemic choice that supports stable blood sugar. For lunch, cut the remaining avocado half into a grid to create small cubes. Add these cubes to a salad of fresh greens. The fats in the avocado increase satiety. This slows down the rate at which your stomach empties, helping you feel full for a longer period. Replacing high GI spreads and adding healthy fats to your lunch helps maintain fullness. This reduces the likelihood of reaching for sugary snacks later in the day. We must address the habit of preparing avocados as a sweet dessert. The dietary protocol fails when simple carbohydrates are added. Adding sugar or syrup to the fruit eliminates its health benefits. Do not use refined sugar, sweetened condensed milk, or syrups when eating avocado. These additives cause blood sugar spikes you must avoid, overriding the fruit's natural low GI properties. The nutritional value for a diabetic depends on consuming the avocado plain or in savory dishes. This is the result of the protocol, a meal consisting of whole wheat avocado toast and a fresh side salad. Follow the 3 rules of this strategy. Stay within portion limits, substitute the avocado for other fats, and avoid all sweeteners. Adhering to these steps provides consistent energy and helps maintain blood sugar stability. Decide now which of these preparation methods you will use for your meals tomorrow. Managing blood sugar relies on daily food preparation. By following these steps, you use the avocado's natural properties to support your long-term health goals.